Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need
shrimp, onion, tomatoes, 6 tomatoes. This is optional. Bell peppers. I have mixed vegetables here. So this has corn, green beans, carrot, and peas. You can go ahead and definitely cut yours fresh, but I didn't want to cut any fresh today because I don't feel like being in the kitchen for too long. But I like a lot of colors in mine, so I'm adding extra bell peppers. Sometimes I also add leek leaves as well. Rice, of course. Red pepper flakes if you eat some. Eggs, optional. You can just do with the shrimp without the eggs. I like mine with the eggs. White pepper, salt, cilantro, oregano, cube, optional, parsley, garlic, and your cooking oil. The fire needs to be low so it doesn't burn. This is how this is gonna cook. And you can taste, see. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Because I did not put salt in my rice, because I don't usually put salt when I boil white rice or when I boil rice. all the season, all the salt I'm putting in here is gonna be what it's gonna taste like. If you're gonna add salt into your rice while it's cooking, you need to watch out for the salt you're putting in here and in your soup, because you don't want it to be too salty.